Welcome back to Water for Seeds. I'm your host, Mia Durr. This set of videos will be introducing and explaining the 5 properties of multiplication. Today, we will be focusing on distributive property over addition. Here, the distributive property over addition tells us that when we multiply a number with the sum of 2 or more add-ins, we get a result that is equal to the result that is obtained when we multiply each add-in separately by the number. Our formula for distributive property over addition is A times B plus C is equal to A times B plus A times C. So using this formula, we plugged in the numbers. 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Let's demonstrate this formula further with some additional examples. For distributive property over addition, the formula will be A times B plus C will be equal to A times B plus A times C. So let's plug in our formula utilizing our factors. So 2 will be A, 3 will be B, and 4 will be C. Now let's plug it in to see how that works. Here we'll do 2 times 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. Working out the problem, we are doing 2 times 3, which is demonstrated here. And then we're going to do 2 times 4, which is demonstrated here. So we're going to pull all this down on the second row just to make everything perfectly clear. So we're going to do 2 times 3 plus 2 times 4. So we know that 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 times 4 is 8. So 6 plus 8 equals 14. One way to check your work is to utilize PEMDAS. So for this equation, we could have done through the parentheses first, 3 plus 4, which we know is 7. So 2 times 7 equals 14, which confirms that our product is correct. However, when you are taking a test or exam and it is specifically asking for a distributive property over addition, please do use the formula for distributive property over addition. We only use PEMDAS to check our work. For our next example, let's use the numbers 3, 5, and 7. So for our factors, 3 will be A, 5 will be B, and 7 will be C. Utilizing our formula for distributive property over addition, we're going to do 3 times 5 plus 7 is equal to 3 times 5 plus 3 times 7. So to demonstrate what we're doing, we're going to take 3 times 5 plus, then 3 times 7 here. Let's pull it down just for clarity purposes, just to make it neat. So we're going to do 3 times 5 plus 3 times 7. So we know that 3 times 5 is 15 plus 3 times 7 is 21. 15 plus 21 equals 36. Once again, we can utilize PEMDAS to check our work. So starting with the parentheses, you would ask yourself, what is 5 plus 7? You know that's 12. So 3 times 12 is equal to 36. And that is how you can confirm that your product is correct. And by product, I mean answer, because a lot of times we use these terms interchangeably, but you just want to make sure that the answer is correct. And that concludes our video on distributive property over addition.